What you are looking at is the data footprint of 5.3 trillion euros. That's the volume of assets managed by a leading European banking group. Managing an asset pool of this size requires a continuous follow-the-sun operational model. 7,000 employees spread across all global time zones ensure uninterrupted service, handling order execution, clearing, and asset valuation around the clock. The primary operational bottleneck at this scale is intelligence fragmentation. Data is siloed across decades-old legacy systems. The challenge is connecting these disparate databases into a unified intelligence framework without interrupting the daily post-trade activities those systems support. The default market solution for data integration is standard generative AI. However, standard large language models possess an underlying architectural flaw that makes them incompatible with Tier 1 financial infrastructure. These models operate as black box AI. For an institution responsible for trillions of euros, deploying opaque AI introduces an unquantifiable operational vulnerability. Integration cannot come at the cost of systemic risk. Asset servicing is governed by uncompromising regulatory frameworks. When processing order executions and managing global clearing workflows, the tolerance for data processing errors is zero. This exposes the critical disqualifying feature of standard LLMs, probabilistic hallucination. Because these models guess the next most likely word in a sequence, they occasionally invent facts. Even an AI that operates with 99% accuracy fails the enterprise test. In compliance workflows, a single hallucination, a single invented number or misattributed legal clause compromises institutional integrity. Financial regulators mandate deterministic auditability. Every automated decision, report, or data synthesis must provide a clear, step-by-step mathematical proof of its exact origin. The opaque, linear processing of standard AI cannot meet this standard. The institution requires an exact, transparent technology that operates above the data layer. To bypass the black box bottleneck entirely, the banking group pivoted to a different technological architecture, Cloudnine AI's REL 1 platform. Digital transformation in heavily regulated markets requires abandoning probabilistic guessing engines. The infrastructure must be engineered to guarantee 100% deterministic accuracy. REL 1 achieves this accuracy by discarding the mechanisms of traditional AI. It abandons linear data filing and the need for heavy model training. Instead, the REL 1 platform is built on a framework called associative knowledge management. Rather than brute forcing linear queries through a static database, associative knowledge management mimics human cognitive mapping. It maps the context and the precise relationships between distinct data points. This diagram illustrates the bank's existing infrastructure, isolated silos representing fragmented legacy databases across different continents. REL 1 acts as a dynamic context engine, associatively linking these disparate data points into a unified framework. The original source code inside those shielded silos remains completely untouched. This lightweight, non-destructive context mapping operates with minimal overhead, avoiding the compute cycles required to train and retrain traditional LLMs. Associative architecture solves the enterprise integration problem. It turns isolated databases into a unified network without altering a single line of legacy code. With the data associatively linked, REL 1 addresses the regulatory mandate for auditability through its primary compliance feature, glass-box traceability. Look at this interface tracing a generated output. Every piece of intelligence is backed by a visible, step-by-step logic tree pointing back to the origin database, providing clear cryptographic proof. However, tracing data origins reveals a fatal flaw in traditional tools: time blindness. Most systems are limited to analyzing stale snapshots. REL 1 eliminates time blindness by treating time as a navigable dimension. As the timeline shifts backwards, the logic tree instantly reconfigures to display past states. This allows compliance analysts to virtually time travel through their data infrastructure. They can view the exact deterministic state of the system at any historical timestamp. In practice, this guarantees perfectly verifiable historical audits. It also allows data scientists to securely test hypothetical financial scenarios by evaluating how different variables interacted in the past. Glassbox traceability and data time travel provide the deterministic proof needed to defend automated logic to regulators. Applying this architecture to real-world deployment, the European banking group utilizes REL 1 within its dedicated digital asset business line. These operations are governed by the European Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, or MiCA, one of the most stringent compliance frameworks in modern finance. To comply with MiCA, the bank must maintain a highly secure environment for storing private keys, while securely executing connections to major blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polygon. This schematic maps the secure data pipeline flowing from external blockchains into the bank's internal vault. As data moves, time-aware intelligence validates it. Glass box markers lock on to each transaction, stamping incoming data with proof credentials before entering the vault. When strict regulatory audits occur, REL 1 allows compliance teams to instantly pull these historical system states to conclusively prove their adherence to MiCA standards. In the unforgiving crypto asset sector, REL 1's verifiable architecture provides the layer of intelligence necessary for the institution to safely operate as a trusted, compliant third party. Beyond digital assets, the bank is expanding its open finance ecosystem that connects its core systems to third-party plug-and-play fintech partners. A major focus of this ecosystem is managing environmental, social, and governance mandates. ESG compliance represents a highly complex data integration challenge. Producing mandatory regulatory reports, like the EET and SFDR, requires collating fragmented environmental data from hundreds of different sources. REL 1 automates this compliance. It traces complex ESG variables back through the ecosystem to their historical origins, guaranteeing accuracy in critical climate reporting. This same level of systemic risk visibility is equally critical for anti-money laundering operations. Watch this network graph. Because the system maps relationships rather than just scanning rows, the context engine can instantly isolate a hidden cluster of anomalous nodes, surfacing fraud vectors that traditional linear scanning tools completely overlook. Associative knowledge management acts as the intelligent connective tissue for the institution's entire global workforce of 7,000 employees. As the bank scales its digital value chain with new fintech partners, REL 1 ensures the intelligence flowing between these applications remains transparent and historically accurate. For an operation managing over 5 trillion euros, this transition to associative, traceable intelligence provides the foundational security necessary to scale a global digital value chain.